Jenkins approach. Targets that make this type of aircraft, the PBJ, a very effective weapon at attacking airfields, ships, trains, and convoys. Even one model carried a 75mm cannon in the nose, essentially a Sherman tank gun. You can imagine some 4 of these PBJs approaching a Japanese airfield at treetop level with 56 50 caliber machine guns ablaze, as well as parafrag bombs raining down from the bomb bay as the formation flew overhead. The 3 PBJs earned the nickname of Treetop Terror. Positioning for a pass-in review from the left from the Devil Dog Squadron to Beaufort Airport, Jet Bomber. What a sight it is to witness this iconic piece of American history. And please note, we do not fly these airplanes to glorify war, but rather to remember the sacrifices our veterans made to tell their story.